Hi, I'm Scott here with Window Cleaning Warehouse, and today we're going to have a look at the HydroPower Ultra starter set. It's going to arrive in 2 boxes. This is the first one. This is going to have the actual HydroPower unit in it. So just open this up. So this comes all as one piece. So you can lift this from the box. And in the box you're going to have a set of instructions. So this is the unit itself. The inlet is on the bottom here, so this is where you connect your garden tap or water source, and the outlet is on the top, so this is where you connect your water-fed pole, and that's going to come in the second box. On the top you've got the TDS meter. Now the TDS meter is going to tell you the reading of the purity of the water as it leaves the HydroPower unit. So this is going to read 000 when you first receive it. Over time, as the resin on the inside is used, it's going to start to creep up, and you're going to want to look to change that as soon as it stops reading pure, which is 000. To open the unit, press down on this latch and rotate the lid, and the lid's going to pop off. Okay, so once you've got the lid off the unit, you can replace the resin bags inside. Now these come as a quick change bag, so it's a case of removing this is the resin, and replacing it with an alternate. Once replaced, just pack that down neatly inside, and then that rotates back on and you're good to go. Okay, so this is the HydroPower unit. Now let's have a look at the water-fed pole. Okay, so with the HydroPower starter set, this is the second parcel that you'll receive. This has the pole, the brush head, and some various other bits and pieces. So if you just take this off. Okay, so there's a few components that are going to arrive in this parcel. The first one is hose. This is 20 meters long. This connector in the top fits into the top of the HydroPower, which is the outlet, and allows the water to run through the hose and up to the brush. The next piece is the N-Light radius brush. So this brush will screw onto the end of the pole, and to allow the water to flow through, you need to attach the 2 jets. Now the jets will push and twist into place, and once they're twisted in, that'll hold them in position. So once they're attached, it's just a case of pushing the hose that runs up the pole onto the end of that, and you have a connection. So once the brush is together, you can take the pole out of the box, and here we have a 20-foot aluminium master pole. So this is 20 foot when it's fully extended. You can extend it just by opening the clamps here, and it'll clamp on any position right up to 20 feet. To extend this pole, you can get a 10-foot extension, and what you do with that is you take the base cap from the bottom just using this clamp, and you can insert the extension, which allows you to add an additional 10 feet per extension to the base of the pole. Now on the top of the pole you'll notice there's a screw thread. All you need to do is, with this angle adapter here, screw this on, and allows you to connect the brush. Now the angle adapter can be adjusted to suit, so for whatever angle you need to reach, if you're working with deep sills or on conservatories where you just want a little bit of a tighter angle, you can adjust that here. For general use, most people will have it approximately 45 degrees. So once that's in place, you can screw the brush head onto the top of the pole, and that's going to be held firmly in place. And then the hose will need to be run along the along the pole, just using these little clips to hold it in place as you go. So you'll notice on each clamp is a little hose clip, which just allows you to hold the hose in place so it's not dragging all over the place when you're using it. Okay, so once you've got the pole all connected up and you've run the hose along the pole, all you need to do is connect this into the outlet on the HydroPower, which is the top connector, and then switch on your water, and you'll get pure water produced at approximately 3 liters per minute, delivered directly to the brush. There is also in the pack a control valve. Now you can apply that to the pole. There's instructions on how to do so, and that allows you to switch the water flow on and off at the pole. So when you're actually cleaning, you can switch the water on and off between windows, and then directly from your water source you're able to clean windows with pure water. For more videos, check out our website.